Harsh was saying the same thing, that it has a good enough potential, and Mori, I don't know where he learned. He just heard wherever I might have talked about and used those exact words we talked about in the
Yeah.
just learned, implemented. Implementation, I said these two words and it did exactly that. Might have changed. So this is good.
बेटर honestly, but इसमें वही थोड़ा repetitive ऐसे वर्ड सुन लिए होंगे, like visual usability heuristic, interactive visualization, ये सब थोड़ा
That level of experience, I don't have much expectations also.
yeah.
It's fine, but just work on overall visual style of a resume, explore your thing, and make your own style. Maybe you can. My resume, I remember, was a like rose gold dark. When I made the resume, it was the only time I have to make a resume. That I never made one.
Yep.
मतलब like even I think इसका एक चीज है यहाँ पे, इसमें लिखा हुआ है learn and implemented. He used the word learn and implemented to create like scalable, but again he used again scalable model and ये सब चीजें सिंपली लिख देता कहाँ पे exactly, थोड़ा specific लिखता है तो अच्छा लगता है, but at least he is being honest about what internship कर रहा है यार. I don't expect a lot.
These are jargons nobody cared about. Like it looks like you have just put it for the sake of it, and like you don't even know what is the meaning of skill actually looks like when you design. So it's okay. Just write very simple, basic terms. You don't have to write this amazing cool terms which have been going for a while.
Replicated a website, the NT5 website you have to strengthen skill structuring. I do it in your free time anyway.
He just wanted to fill the column, make it end to end.
Yes.
I mean, yeah, I have seen better resumes with like again, obviously I know he's a starter, but again, fresher, yeah, why to sort of like fill it up for the sake of it.
Correct.
Well,
and is it mandatory to put CGPA over there? I mean, mandatory क्या? Even की क्या ही value देगा CGPA डालना?
I don't really care about the CGPA, man. Like dropout भी है, ठीक है, dropout कर दिया, ठीक है.
No, actually, let's say you are a fresher, don't know much about design, and you know it's only basics about design. Let's say you have good GPA, right? This shows me that you are sincere. Thing like you have that. Most of the people know that in college, nobody cares about GPA and all those stuff. Nobody studied for a GPA, but you have a 8-pointer and above that. Not even, I'm not talking and all, just 8 and above. I think sincere about the things. At least whatever happening around your surrounding in your class, you put an effort. Doesn't matter. Day before an exam also matters, but you are putting that effort. And as I don't have a much of design value to take from, these are things I might get recruiter notice about as a junior. After you have worked in one industry or having a 2 internship, it will not matter. But as a very fresh starting out, this will give perspective of me, at least to a manager or a recruiter, that okay, that person is sincere.
I mean, yes. To make that.
Yep.